Allah sent many prophets to spread the message of Islam. The Quran is a guide for all of Allah's followers, and in the Quran there are 25 prophets mentioned. One of these is Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and today I'm going to tell you his story. Allah sent the Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, to guide the people. As a child, he was very clever and wise. Most of the people he knew worshipped idols instead of praising Allah. Ibrahim told his father that he didn't think people should worship objects that they'd made themselves. This made his father very angry. Ibrahim decided that he should show people that they were wrong, so he thought of a plan. One night, when the people were all out of town, having gone to some function, he went to a huge temple where all of the statues that people worshipped were kept. He broke all of the statues except for the biggest one. He left his axe on the shoulder of this statue. The next morning, when the people returned, they were very angry and very upset at what had happened. They straight away suspected that Ibrahim was responsible for destructions of their gods. They asked him if he'd done it. Ibrahim told them to ask the big idol if he knew who was responsible. "You know the statue cannot speak," said the people. "So why do you worship them and not Allah?" asked Ibrahim. The people didn't know what to say. Ibrahim's plan was working. He showed the people the truth in such a clever way. The people were too proud and turned away. They were now more angry than before. "Let's throw him into the fire," the people shouted. They were going to burn Ibrahim to death. They lit a huge fire for days. The fire was burning hot with flames, growing higher and higher. They took Ibrahim up to a height and threw him into the fire. Ibrahim was a good person. He believed in Allah, so Allah would protect him. A tall platform was constructed for the evil king Namrud. He ascended it and saw that Ibrahim was sitting in a blooming garden. Allah had ordered the fire to cool and make it comfortable for Ibrahim. When the flames died down, the people couldn't believe their eyes. They saw that Ibrahim was alive and the fire hadn't harmed him at all. They realized it was a great miracle. The people were ashamed and many started to believe in Allah, but there was still a lot to be done. However, Ibrahim was instructed to leave the city. To learn more about the prophets, watch out for more prophet stories in this series.